Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Garnier Vitamin C Serum. First, always begin with a clean canvas. Use your favorite gentle cleanser to wash away any makeup, dirt, or oils from your face. After cleansing, gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel. It is important that your skin is completely dry before moving on to the next step, and make sure your hands are clean too. Now for the application. Take the dropper and dispense about 2 or 3 drops of the Garnier Vitamin C Serum onto your clean fingertips. Gently warm the serum between your fingers for a moment. Then, with light, upward strokes, massage the serum evenly over your entire face and neck. Remember to be gentle around the delicate eye area, avoiding direct contact with your eyes. For best results, incorporate this serum into your daily skincare routine. It is recommended to apply it once a day, ideally in the morning, to maximize its antioxidant benefits throughout the day. After the serum has fully absorbed, follow up with your favorite moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Crucially, always finish your morning routine with a sunscreen of at least SPF 30. To get the most out of your Garnier Vitamin C Serum, store it properly in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency. Consistency is key. Use it every single day to see the best results over time. With regular use, you can expect your skin to appear brighter, feel smoother, and show a noticeable reduction in the appearance of dark spots and uneven tone. Enjoy your radiant complexion.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.